Tuesday to 6
This time
p.m.
you went
Wednesday.
off.
What?
You said it go
Southeast
up.
winds 25 to 35 miles per
Dude,
hour.
another high wind
60
warning.
miles per hour expected.
What the heck?
Where? Northern New London, Southern Fairfield, Southern
That's
New
for
Haven,
Connecticut,
Southern
dude.
Middlesex, and Southern New London counties.
That's for Connecticut.
When? From 6 p.m. Tuesday to 6
Dude.
p.m. Wednesday. Impacts. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. People should avoid being outside in forested areas and around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive.
Dude, unbelievable. Another high wind warning.
High wind warning in effect from 6 p.m. Tuesday to 4 a.m. Wednesday. What? South winds 35 to 45 miles per hour with gusts
Wow.
up to 60 miles
What the
per hour
heck?
expected.
So many.
Where?